In previous all sessions, we have discussed about like how to create a database, how to modify the database, everything. Now we are going to learn about a new topic called as a constraints. Okay, like uh, constraints. Like we already seen that previous case, auto increment one constraint, primary key one constraint we added. How to add some more constraints like a not null, all these things we will discuss now. Like in case I will create a new database, date table. I say create, I say demo underscore con. Okay, this is a table name I have given. In this table, I may be having a create. I need to give a table, right? Create table. This is the table name. I need a one ID that is a first column, and this ID it should be integer, okay, and it should be not null value, and it should be auto increment. Okay, auto increment means the id column should be an integer, not should be any text or anything, and it should not be null means one should not be leave auto this one, and it has to increment automatically means no need to specify that id also. You can, you no need to when you enter the data. That's the one thing. The second thing, I need a like a first name. Okay, first name, it should be a varchar of 20 letters, and I would like to add one more constraint, that is a not null along with that. In case I just want to say the age, okay, age of that particular demo or this one, and I say it should be a integer. Okay, it should be an integer. Okay, and I would like to define primary key, like which one is to be primary key. I say primary key. Here id should be a primary key. Okay, so all these things I have been defined properly. I'll close that. I shift control enter. Okay, it says we can't create a table because we haven't used a which database we have to create a table. First, we have to use that database because I closed this workbench and reopened. So I say use this demo Pinnacular database. I first execute that. Okay. Now I will create this one. Yes, now it is created successfully. Right. To check that, like whether the schema of that describe the table name demo underscore con. Okay, it gives that like id is a integer, and it cannot be null value and primary key, and it has a auto increment. Okay, it cannot be a null, we have been specified, but age we are not been defined as a only integer, not be null. It cannot, it can be a null value also right now, right? So can we add that one again? Yes, we can add by using alter table. Alter table, which table? Demo underscore constraint. This table to be altered, and which column to be altered? Age. Okay, we would like to alter, we have to specify that modify age in that. Okay, modify age in that particular column. It should be integer, and it should not be a not null value. Okay, not null value. Now we'll see. Now if I go to the describe, it's become a non-null value, right? In case I would like to make it as a unique value, means someone should not uh, give, everyone has to give the different age. Just for a real example I'm taking. Okay, it in case all the entries has to be unique, then how can we modify that one? We can modify like alter table, name of the table, modify which one? age column. Okay, age column should be a integer. It should be a not null. I just not to give not null. Okay, integer, and it should be a unique column. Okay, I just say that it should be a unique column. Okay, I just say yes, it's executed. Now you can see if I execute the whenever you have been mentioned it as a unique column, automatically you can see key has been become a unique, right? So it can be a null value, but it should be a unique. Like you can check in case I say in insert into demo underscore this one. What are the things I'm going to insert here? Insert into uh, just I will all the values I would like to insert. So values, okay, values. I just give the first name like first name. I just mention myself. Okay. Then what I need to give? I need to give the age, right? Okay. I'll give the age. Think control enter. Okay, it's not taking because we need to give the ID also. When we are not specifying here, what are the things I'm going to give? I can specify here first name and age we are giving. Okay, now I think it will take yes, right? So now in that, I just want to check by using select star from demo underscore con it's given, right? But the moment I will enter one more entry in the same way, okay, what I will do, I'll insert one more time. I will try to insert, okay, uh, at a different name but same age I am giving, but I have been made it as a unique. Now we need to get the error. Yes, we are getting an error. It says that duplicate entry is going, right? Because we have been mentioned it as a unique, right? We have been mentioned it as a unique. In case I give the different value, okay, it will execute and will get it, right? So it depends like how we have been taken. Okay. Now the one more thing. Uh, I just wanted to say, okay, how can we add like constraint, okay, constraint to the two or more column at a time, like unique constraint or primary key constraint. Okay, everything I would like to add it to for the two column, like first name and age, both I would like to make it as a unique at a time. I would like to make it. So what we have to do, we have to use that alter table, name of the table, demo underscore constraint, okay, alter table this one, and we would like to add constraint name of the constraint I would like to give. I need to give the one name because later course I can drop that also. Okay. What I can give, okay, I just say uh, first name age, okay, FA, I just given FACON underscore CON, and here I make it as a unique. Okay, what are the things I'm going to make it as a unique? Sorry. First name and age, these two column I would like to make it as a unique. Now if I say, okay, now if I describe that, you can see there is a constraint unique has been added. Okay, multiple constraint it is added, you can see here multiple it says, right? So this multiple constraints has been added. In case I would like to drop that multiple constraints, how to drop? Again, alter table, the name of the table, demo underscore constraint. I just want to drop, right? Drop the name of the constraint. Okay, name of the constraint. Okay, I dropped it. Now if you check the description, still it is there. Mm, yeah, drop. We are not able to give just this one. We have to say index. Okay, the index, so that now it will be dropped. Yes, it has been dropped from the first name also. Means these are the way we can add a constraint any point of time. We can add a constraint to the any of the columns. Okay, there are different types of constraints we have, like a unique, not null, okay, primary key, foreign key. Okay, and we will be adding such constraints to make it miss our data to be more secured, in the sense error free data we can gather, right? Because of that we are adding some such a constraints. Okay, this is all about a few constraints we have been discussed so far. In a coming session we will discuss in detail about the other constraints like foreign key and all, how it works and how to work on those foreign key constraints. And